Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with rhyming. I'm going to say 3 words and you're going to repeat the 2 that rhyme. Gap, lip, lap. Spell, tall, well. Him, numb, dim. Tom, bum, mum. Mud, bad, bud. Jack, wick, tack. Bus, mess, fuss. Wet, pot, pet. Rock, take, lock. Big, dog, dig. Good job. Now we're going to listen for beginning sounds. So I will say 3 words, you repeat the 3 words, and together we'll make the beginning sound. Song, silly, sip. S. Tape, top, touch. T. Video, vote, bass. V. Would, work, will. W. Yawn, yarn, you. Y. Zig, zipper, zebra. Z. Bee, bake, bin. B. Dog, dive, den. D. Good. Let's do some blending syllables. So I'll give you the 2 parts, or the 2 syllables in the word. You're going to repeat them, and then we'll blend the word together. Honey. Honey. Follow. Follow. Punish. Punish. Circus. Circus. Turtle. Turtle. Parade. Parade. Wiggle. Wiggle. Visit. Visit. Flavor. Flavor. Noodles. Noodles. Good job. Now we're going to listen for ending sounds. So I'm going to say some short sentences that only have about 3. There's a couple with 4 words. And then you're going to repeat it, and then we'll say the ending sound of each of those words together. Ken can win. Matt felt faint. T. Jake took cake. K. Pat got wet feet. T. Sam came home. Gail will tell Phil. Ooh, good. Now you're going to segment syllables. So remember, this is one you've been doing on your own. I'm going to give you the word. You're going to repeat the word, and then you're going to break the word into 2 syllables because each of these is a 2-syllable word. So if you're clapping more than 2 times or less than 2 times, you're not breaking it correctly. So listen carefully for that. The word is sticky. The word is picture. Repeat. Title. Panda. Money. Surprise. Gentle. Sparkle. Good job. All right, now we're going to substitute syllables. The word is window. Change win to yell. Yellow. The word is yellow. Change yell to pill. Pillow. The word is pillow. Change pill to gel. Jello. The word is jello. Change gel to fell. Fellow. The word is fellow. Change fell to wind. Window. Good. Now we're going to add syllables. So the word is jump. Add ing to the end. Jumping. The word is fish. Add ing to the end. Fishing. The word is pick. Add ing to the end. Picking. The word is pack. Add ing to the end. Packing. The word is kick. Add ing to the end. Kicking. Good job. Last syllable exercise is deleting syllables. So here we go. The word is raining. Without the ing, the word is rain. The word is storming. Without the ing, the word is storm. The word is snowing. Without ing, the word is snow. The word is hailing. Without ing, the word is hail. The word is freezing. Without ing, the word is freeze. Good job. Last exercise is counting words in spoken sentences. So remember, if you're needing to feel each word, pounding out is a good idea. So you can pound it out on your hand, you can pound it out on your leg or on your table right in front of you. Here we go. Do you eat hamburgers? So that one is 4. Hamburgers is a big word. So if we pound it out, we would say, do you eat hamburgers? Because hamburgers is one big word. Candy is a special treat. And that one's 5. It is fun to build a snowman. This one is 7. Snowman is one word. It is a compound word, so it is a big word made up of 2 smaller words, snow and man. The bunny hops in the garden. And that one's 6. We are baking a birthday cake. And that one is 6 as well. Nice job today, everyone.